Episode 6, the Capacity Series. Reading recovery signals. If recovery is a skill, then signals are how you know whether it's happening. Most people guess. They rest because they feel tired. They train because they feel motivated. They stop because something hurts. But fatigue, motivation, and pain are late signals. By the time they appear, the system has already been mismanaged. True recovery is quieter than that. It shows up in subtler ways. The nervous system is always communicating, whether it's restoring or protecting. You just have to know what to listen for. One of the most reliable indicators is variability. Not numbers, behavior. When your system is recovering, small stresses feel small. Your breathing changes easily. Your posture adjusts without effort. Your attention widens instead of narrowing. When recovery is failing, everything becomes rigid. Breath stays shallow. Muscle tone stays elevated. Sleep becomes light or fragmented. Thoughts loop. Minor tasks feel heavy. This is not weakness. It's a system stuck in anticipation. Many people misread this state as needing more discipline. They push harder, they add structure, they tighten control. But control is not recovery. Control is compensation. Tools like HRV can be useful, but only if you understand what they reflect. Low variability does not mean do nothing. It means the system is prioritizing protection. Sometimes the correct response is rest. Sometimes it's gentle movement. Sometimes it's sensory clarity. Sometimes it's reducing cognitive load. The signal tells you which, if you're listening. A recovering system feels responsive. You wake up without inertia. You adapt to stress without spillover. You return to baseline quickly. A non-recovering system feels brittle. You can still perform, but everything costs more. The goal is not to avoid stress. The goal is to complete it. Effort should rise, peak, and resolve. So should emotion. So should focus. When stress doesn't resolve, it becomes background noise. And background noise erodes capacity. Learning to read recovery signals turns rest into strategy instead of guesswork. It allows you to challenge your body without gambling your future resilience. In Episode 7, the Capacity Series, we'll look at how to actively close stress loops. So recovery isn't something you wait for, but something you initiate deliberately.